Good morning, everybody. This is Terry with Terry's Travels, and I wanted to tell y'all before I show y'all this video, this was my very first van tour that I got to do, and I met a sweet, sweet lady. Her name is Suellen, and she's my new friend. I'm so glad to have her in my life. But anyway, y'all enjoy the van tour, and I was just so excited to do this. Also, I'm curious, what do you carry in your van or your camper whenever you camp? I'm just curious, especially if you're staying in something as small as Suellen and I. I'm just curious. Send me some comments or some, just give me some opinions, because I would really like to know what you think. This is Suellen, and she has a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica, and we're going to do a van tour on her van.
Hi, I'm Suellen Troop, and this is my Chrysler Pacifica 2017.
We see it too?
You want to see that?
That, you know?
Yeah.
You got a thing going here.
I do. I have it's like a tent, but it goes over this, and it's a screens in the whole back. It's kind of a process. I don't know if you want a video.
Does it have a magnet like that one does?
No, this one.
So is it just a screen, or is it a...
Yeah, it's like a screen, and
Okay.
it has a little awning, and then these are the little stakes. But this one's kind of cool. I don't know if I can put it up
I was
though
just
with
to
the
say
hitch
with
on.
the hitch on.
No, just...
I'm not sure if I can.
Yeah.
Put it on. I haven't done it with.
You don't have to
Don't
just...
stake it.
Yeah.
Just don't stake it down.
Well, no, just... You don't even have to do that, just...
You want me to hold that?
Yeah, it's.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's
Yeah,
a whole tent.
It's kind of
Yeah.
like a tent.
So just know which way to, you know,
So let's see. This is the back. So we get over.
so which way is this go? This is this way?
So Alicia might have to do it. 'Cause you
Yeah,
might
she's a
have
little
to-
bit taller.
Yeah, she's a little taller. So it goes up over.
This way.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me look at it here a second. I've never done it with the hitch on the back, so. Like that.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's got an awning thing on it too.
Mm-hmm.
Neat.
The whole back is a screen, so you can have airflow come out.
Airflow, yes.
And
How nice is
you can
that?
access with the zipper. It has a zipper, so you can. I can't really show it to you because of the hitch.
Y'all, what we ought to do is we need to find us a beach one day and go down and stay in the parking lot and just do this. Open up everything.
Like
And
in there.
Right there on the Mississippi Gulf Coast.
yes, we could do it.
Yeah, we should do a Mississippi Gulf Coast one. Easy.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. And you know, you can access stuff right here.
Right.
Because this thing is magnets in the
Right.
center.
Yes, isn't that nice?
So I just cut the bottom off so that it wouldn't be dragging on the floor, and I repaired the hole. Because there was a little hole.
So you must have re-sewed it down there?
I did.
Yes, I see
did.
that.
I made a little hem.
You made a little hem. I cut
did.
mine off, but I didn't hem mine. Mine's just
Well,
just
you know,
regular.
I got to get fancy.
Yeah.
Well, I've had to do to that. Mine's on a curtain rod, and I got to redo it.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
So this is easy up, easy down, and now I have some airflow.
Right, right. I like that.
I also food is in here. I have ice in here as well,
That's her Yeti.
and my water. And this is my
So-
storage trunk.
So how long will a bag of ice?
So I have 2 bags of ice in there, and it'll last me for my trip.
Okay,
I'll
which
get
is
home and I'll still have ice in here.
wow.
Yeah, and I have a drain in the back, so if there's excess water down at the bottom, I can drain it out.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
And then this is my trunk organizer. I have my burner in here. This is my butane stove. I have a collapsible sink. I have a clothesline, garbage bags, my gloves. This is my bike helmet. I have a cord. I have an extra backpack. This is my warming blanket.
Warming
that
blanket.
I plug in for heat. I haven't needed to use it. Maybe tomorrow. I don't want to leave home and not be prepared.
Yes.
And then this is, of course, my tail veil that I just showed you.
Yes, okay.
I also have a little refrigerator down underneath here.
Oh, wow.
Can you see it down there?
I do see
It's
it.
not in use this trip. I decided to just use the Yeti. But if somebody brings ice cream, I can certainly plug it in and put it on freezer mode and keep the ice cream cold.
Nice.
Yeah. So let's go around.
Let's go around.
So in here, I have my chair. I always keep a chair up.
Yes.
I have my little table here.
Yes.
I also have my battery under here. It's my power source.
So what kind of battery is that
It's
then?
a Vitamin.
Vitamin?
Can you see it?
Yes, I can. Vitamin. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yep.
What size is that,
It's a
Dina?
600.
Okay. 600.
It'll last me a 3 or 4 weekend trip like this one.
Oh, okay.
I'll get home and it'll probably be around 20% and that'll be perfect. I have a little water boiler.
Oh,
I plug into it.
I have to have one of those.
Yeah, it just boils enough water for a cup of coffee, and you could also warm up soup or something like that in here.
Yeah.
And then I have my little lantern.
Yeah. Let's talk
This
about
is my
that.
favorite thing. This is my favorite thing.
Let's look at
Let me
that.
open this door so maybe let a little light in so you can see it better. It's just an organizer that goes over the headrest, but I have all my cutlery up here in the top pockets, and then I have my meds, my daytime meds, my nighttime meds. I have a fan. This is my little ditty bag, you know, with my toothbrush and whatnot, and then these are my headlamp and my flashlight. This is the best thing I ever bought. It also has a table. I'm not going to take it down because my cutlery will fall out, but it has a little table on the top. I haven't needed to use it because I use this table. So yeah.
So what about your bed? Tell us about your bed.
So my bed is a cot.
Wow.
Do you see that?
Yes.
It's got 11-inch legs. These 2 front legs are on stilts because this minivan isn't level. So I level it out with these little stilts. And then I have storage underneath my slippers, and I use these packing cubes for my clothes.
Yes. I use those too.
I love those.
Yeah, me too.
And then this is my kitchen box.
Oh, okay.
I have my tablecloth, my dishes. I have salt and pepper. This is my little camp pots and pans kit that I use on my burner. I have a cutting board, you know, just the usual stuff. I have these how I wash my dishes. I have foil. I have a lighter. Can you see inside?
Yes.
Yep. And then I have a towel.
I never thought about using, what's in the green spray bottle? Is that,
I have water in, one and alcohol and water in the other
oh,
one.
okay. Okay. Yeah, that's really neat and really efficient.
Yeah, and I have a little fold-up sink that you saw in the
Yes,
back.
I did.
So I can wash my dishes. That's my kitchen box, and I just
Wow.
move it down under there. And over here I have my hammock. This
Okay.
is my hammock. It's not up right now. I should put it up over
Oh, yeah. Let's see it.
on those 2.
Wise owl. Oh, yeah.
Or over there, yeah. Okay, that's a
Yeah.
good spot too. Or maybe down by the water somewhere would be nice.
I love that little table right
So
there.
this is a great little find from Amazon, and it has adjustable legs. It has 4 other legs that are a little longer, so this table can come up to here.
Wow.
And it also has a little net that goes under here, so you can store stuff
Yes.
under there.
Okay.
Yep. And then let's see. What else?
Where do you keep your clothes?
In the packing cubes.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Yeah.
I have 2 of them. The other one is down there.
Yeah. And everything is stored and stowed so neatly up under that cot there. So.
Yeah, and you know, there's even more space under here that isn't even being utilized.
Wow. Yeah.
I'm kind of a minimalist.
That-
I don't have a lot of stuff.
Me too. Me too.
My husband always says, you just have what you need.
Yeah.
That's it.
So,
I don't wear makeup on the trip, so I don't have to bring all my makeup. But anyway, let's go around the other side.
all right.
I have a hitch for my bike,
Oh yeah, the hitch.
and I have an electric bike right here.
And what kind of bike is that? That's
It's a Rad.
Rad power bike.
Yep, it's a Rad power bike. I
That's
had it
nice.
for about 5 years.
Let's go around the tree. Okay.
Okay, and then on this side I have my screen up, and then I have my dry goods food bag here, my trash can here, and then you can see under here I have my shoes, and I have a little box that has all of my cords,
Yes, I
batteries,
have one of those too.
bug spray, bungee cords. I don't really need to get in that one so much, so I just keep it back here.
Right.